Welcome! What we got here is the new old stock Belzer Dovidat packaging with a Belzer sticker on it, and it says number 2707. Let's unbox it first, but you already know that this packaging contains Belzer electrician's scissors made in Germany. Ain't she a thing of beauty? And it has a nice snap. But let's take a closer look. Under the screw there's stamped in the type number of the scissors, and by the look of it, it seems to be hand stamped, which is a nice touch. But during the montaging process they damaged the screw, but I think I can look over it. The finish is really great, especially on the inside of the blades, and they put a knurl on the inside of the blades. I'll tilt the scissors so you can have a closer look and see it better in the reflections. Nice little saw teeth. Ooh, and that sound. On the inside of the handles is a Belzer stamp, a Made in Germany stamp, and of course to promote the high vanadium content of the used steel, a vanadium extra stamp. All in all, these are a nice pair of scissors, nicely finished, and I'm impressed by the sheer weight these small scissors have. But what do you need them for? You can cut sheets of tin, copper or aluminium foil that regular scissors aren't capable of cutting. You can cut wire strands off of your shielded cables before assembly. And for that purpose the teeth are really handy. And obviously, it is also capable of cutting electrical tape. And that wraps it up for today. The Belzer 2707 electrician's scissors.